Do you remember eating square pizza for lunch when you were in school? I know I do. As our week-long tribute to school cafeteria foods continue, I thought it would be great if we brought back that memory again. Of course, one slice at a time. To make an easy version at home, all we have to do is roll out a store-bought pizza dough into a rectangle. Our secret is to place it on a baking sheet that we brush with olive oil mixed with Italian seasonings and a little garlic powder. Once this looks good, we'll brush it with a little bit more of the olive oil. Then we'll prick it with a fork. That'll keep the dough from puffing up while it bakes. When the crust is golden, we top it off with a thin layer of spaghetti sauce, some shredded mozzarella cheese, and last but not least, some pepperoni. A few minutes back in the oven is all it takes. When the cheese is melted and the crust is super crispy, we cut it into squares, just like they did back then, so it fits the cafeteria trays. It may sound simple, yet this is one pizza you'll never forget. To get the recipe for what we call school lunch square pizza, all you have to do is go online now, so you can bring back memories in the taste of years gone by. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a cheesier way, very cheesier way, for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm-hmm.